natural disaster report falls under the incident type of report. And under the natural disaster report, we have several types of natural disasters that we can write reports on. Welcome to Teaching Creative Writing with Ms. Rhea, and today we are going to look at the different types of natural disasters that students may be tested on for the SEA exam. So from our textbook Teaching Creative Writing for Primary Schools Standards 4 and 5 report writing, under the incident report of natural disasters, we have 5 different types of natural disasters that we have prepared reports for. So this would be the hurricane, the earthquake, landslide, tsunami, and flooding. So a key point is to understand how this question can come and be tested. And so the angle may be that you are at home when the natural disaster occurs, you are probably on the roadway, you are probably at school. So our content focuses on these 3 scenarios where this information here gives us an idea of what individual preparation would be like, community preparation, and national preparation. And all of this would be adapted for the particular question. So the student has content on what would be done for the preparation. For example, a hurricane. We know beforehand that there would be a hurricane, and how to prepare. We have again given the information for the individual, the community, and the national preparation. We have the 5-paragraph format for the hurricane report. We have a sample. We have information for earthquakes, so we have the Richter scale, because this would be terminology that students would be using in this report. We have our 5-paragraph format, a sample for the earthquake. We have landslides, and we have some information here on the landslides. We have flooding, and we have again information on flooding. We have our phrases that always come in handy for students to use. We have our guided activity so that students can get a handle of the report with some assistance and then independently write their own report. So in addition to what was explained in this report, there's also something I want to touch on, which is the emergency evacuation procedures at school. Again, as I said, this question can come in the angle of you're at home, you are on the roadway, for example, a landslide, or you are at school when an emergency takes place. And we have to understand the emergency drills. So usually it would be an alarm that sounds. Some schools have 3 sharp bells in quick succession, and after hearing this, it signals to students and everyone on the compound that there is in fact an emergency. So following this, students will proceed to the muster point, which is a designated area that is safe, whether it be the savannah, whether it be a building next door, whether it be the car park. This would be known by all on the compound. At that muster point, students would be in their various lines where a roll call by their teachers would be done to ensure that all students are accounted for. After this, the emergency services would be contacted, parents would be contacted as well. So this would be something that students would have to know for content if in case the report comes that the incident took place while at school. So I hope that this would be useful for you in doing your natural disaster report.